So a lot of people don't know, but Wisk actually can do full food and beverage management. The truth is we started off with the beverage side of things, so think of liquor, wine, beer, in 2014. And that's how today we have 200,000 bottles in our database, barcode scanning, images, weights, Bluetooth scale integration, real-time sync, offline mode so you can do it without an internet connection, and so on and so forth. What people don't know is that we also do food. The truth is, when COVID happened, because a lot of full-service restaurants had to close and a lot of bars had to close, we had to think of something. So we decided to launch food. And the best part is, you get all the hard work we did on the beverage side, so scales, offline mode, scanning, all that POS integrations, over 50 POS integrations, invoice scanning with your phone, etc. And we moved it to the food side. And so, believe it or not, today you can do full food management on your with your Wisk account. So what does that look like? Well, you can count your produce, you can count your proteins, whether it's dry goods and you want to scan it, or whether it's things you're going to search for. You can weigh it, you can do it in different units of measurement, and the rest of the app works the same. You scan your supplier invoices coming in, all that produce and protein, which costs are fluctuating every week, are synced to your web portal, and then your recipes can also be synced here. So over here, I have a basil chicken pasta dish as an example. Same concept, my POS is telling me how much I'm selling it for, and then I could put my recipe in Wisk, get the cost breakdown for every single ingredient, and then also get the total cost. And so the beauty is, whether you're managing a full service restaurant or just a bar, you can break down all your recipe costs and you can set thresholds. So in this case, it's telling me that my cost percentage is 24%. And the best part is that you can set that threshold. So in this case, I set it to 27%. What does that mean? Without micromanaging, as long as my staff or myself are scanning invoices using the Wisk mobile app, these costs of your tomatoes, your avocados, your beef, your chicken, doesn't matter, are always up to date, automatically synced to this recipe, which means you have an accurate cost of goods. And the beauty is, if it ever hits 27%, then you can adjust or make the adjustments you need to make sure you're making the right margins for your business.
If you want to learn more about Wisk, head to wisk.ai and book a demo.